Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number KIT6HD. This is a bolt package that would be a 6HD mount. This is going to be a surface mount concealed cone head style. And when you buy a KIT6HD, you're going to get two of the cone head bolts that are 5/16. 5/16, 18 is the thread type. Typical material, KIT6 would be a 1/4-20. A KIT6HD would be 5/16, and a KIT6XHD, if that exists, I don't know that it does, it may, would be a 3/8. So standard HD, XHD, 1/4-20, 5/16, 18, 3/8, 16. Is that 3/8? I think 16 threads per inch on a 3/8. Okay, so this is going to have a bolt length of probably about 5/8 or so. Let's take a look. Yeah, 1/2 inch. Again, 5/16. You're going to drill and tap the face of your door. That bolt is going to go in. Your handle's going to go over it, and you're getting two. Then you're going to have, they give you 4 set screws. I really don't know why they give you 4 set screws. It could be that the handle is prepped for 2 mounting points. If it is, that would be not news to me, but I would be learning that myself. But you are going to get 4 set screws, so the only thing I can think of is that there must be 2 holes in the handle for a 6HD mount. So you're going to get 4 set screws with this hardware. Some links down below this video. One is going to be called the product catalog, and then the Rockwood mounting options. Let's take a look at both of those to see if they give us any value. I bet they will. Let's look at the mounting options first. Okay, so that is literally a summary of the mounting type. Pull on one side of the door. That's where you're gonna find your 6HD. There is not a 6XHD in a mount 6 type, which is concealed, and they do show the other references to a type 6 of what you're going to use them. Pulls, push bars as well, offset pulls, you'll certainly find those there. Then that's a 3-page document. Let's get to page 2, and that's where you're going to see the type 6 detailed for you. They do not indicate that there are supposed to be double taps for the set screws at all, but the description does call out 4. So there you go, 4. And the description says 4. You're getting 4 set screws. Page 3 is just informational. Product catalog. That's going to be showing you all of the different kit types that are there and gives you a description of what's included. And that's interesting because that document does show 2 each set screws are included with a Type 6 HD. The original, that must have been a typo in a prior catalog, not corrected in our site. By the time you're seeing it, you'll certainly see 2 set screws only that would be included there. Okay. So finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Rockwood KIT6HD mounting package or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.